So today we're going to be showing a portable generator shelter that I built, a do-it-yourself version. I searched on the internet to try to figure out how to do this, and then I kind of decided on my own design, which I'm going to show you now. So here it is, and it's built as dual purpose. First purpose is as a storage unit for 2 generators, and also as a heavy-duty shelf to put heavy objects on top, so that I can have it in my garage. It can act as a shelf and therefore not take up any space because it's a shelf and a storage cabinet. And when I need it, I'll just take it and use it to shelter the generator during snow or rain. So inside, if I open this up, you can see there's a generator inside of it. It's being stored underneath, and there's a generator on top of it. Okay, so if I need it, most of the time it's just going to sit here as this storage unit. But if I need it, I'll just take these heavy boxes off. Again, you can see I've got a lot of stuff on here, and that's the idea. It's like not only will it not take up space, but it'll help me to store stuff. So this is a Harbor Freight generator, 800 rated watts, 900 maximum. It's not super light, but I stood on top of this and it held my weight. I'm 160 pounds, no problem. And if I want to get this one out, I can just slide it out, no problem. Now, design considerations were, one, have it light enough that I can move it around easily, but heavy enough that wind during a storm won't blow it away. So the unit weighs 25 pounds. So I put these 2 little wood handle things on the side so I can easily just pick it up and move it wherever I want it. So I'm going to put it over here for now. And so let's say I want to use this unit, which is a Westinghouse 2000, 1800 continuous watts, 2200 peak inverter generator. So I can just slide this in, aim the exhaust out, put it in like so, and you can see the exhaust has a clear path exiting the unit. And if I run the wires either out the side or the back, so you plug in your electric cords in here. If I run it out the side or the back, you'll see I have 2 inches of clearance from the bottom to the side panels, which allow ventilation, and it will function to create a drip loop. So when that extension cord goes under here, it has to go up to plug in here, and therefore it's a drip loop, and water won't be able to drip into the generator. If I want to use that generator, that's not currently on wheels, so I have the option of either just picking it up and sliding it in there, or just putting it in place where I want it. And then, let's make sure I didn't disconnect my microphone. And then just picking this thing up and just putting it on top of it. Again, we'll have to aim the generator so that the exhaust, let's see where the exhaust is. Here it is. We want the exhaust aiming out. So because the exhaust is on this side of the generator, I would put this unit a little towards this side of the shelter so that the exhaust is centered over the wider opening. And following this, I'll show you more details on how I build it. Here is the parts list, so pause the video if you need to here. This shows the 2-foot by 2-foot side panels and my 2 generators. Here I'm starting the top frame. I only used one of the vents. Here the top shelf, top frame, and the legs are assembled. Here I cut a hole in the back panel to attach the vent. And here I attach the front panel, which is hinged. This lets you see the vented back panel. Either use pressurized lumber or paint it to protect it from rain and snow. I also caulked the seams.